that is typical. Michael's just sleeping.
Is that bacon I smell? Is that bacon?
Whoa.
Bacon.
Whoa.
Bacon. Hello, it's the Snomads, and today I'm going to be your host on this glorious adventure. Today we're going down the big Cottonwood Creek Canyon. Well, I think I got the mag all loaded up here. We're about to go on a large 13-mile hike. Now when you're going on a hike that long, that many hours, it pays to be prepared. So I'm just going to show you a little list of credentials in case you're going on a large hike too and you need to know what to pack. Right off the bat, I've got a large Hershey's Dasher chocolate snack. This comes in handy when you're about 6 miles down the trail and you're fiending for some calories. Wouldn't leave home without it. Secondly, I have my dude wipes. You know that I stick by these through and through if you've watched our other episodes. They are a charm. They just really do a great job. But in case this isn't enough, I brought an additional pack of wet wipes. This one, pH balancing, just in case you've been drinking too much coffee in the morning and you're feeling a little acidic. This pH balancing is going to get you right back to where you need to be. So you got those two right there. Got a cream, heavily moisturizing. You know why this comes in handy. I've got some medicated foot powder. I've got some toilet paper. Sometimes you don't need a moist towelette. Sometimes you need to dry off. I've got another form of powder. This one not medicated. Lastly, for when the going gets tough, I always bring a 40, a steel reserve, just to lace up my bootstraps and keep me going for those last 2 miles. So, I mean, that's really about all you need. Just remember, folks, if you're gonna go hiking, be sure to bring the essentials. You don't wanna be out there in the middle of nowhere when the tummy rumbles hit you.
And we're reading about Bighorn Sheep, which there's currently around only 15 in this area. Unfortunately, numbers have dropped. We're gonna be doing a hike that heads up the canyon kind of behind me, and we're just gonna go a way long ways up. And it's sunny and warm out. It's nice. We have our snowshoes just in case, and we have our crampons just in case. So we'll see how it goes.
I'm really hoping we get to see one of these guys. Ooh, look at that fine belly. I think we just found the Cottonwood Creek.
Yep. We'll see if it's frozen.
Let's see. Whoa!
Oh, that scared me.
Oh.
But probably not as much as it scared you.
It's all right though. The main part of it is fine. That's just a snow bridge. The actual ice is solid as can be. Woo!
Here we go.
Deedle up, do, deedle up, do. Ho, ho, ho.
Climbing over the fence. Yeedle and ho. My shoes are really slippery.
Well, thus far the trail has proven to be pretty easy. It's actually a bit more of an ATV trail, but sources have told us that it soon turns into single track. We don't know if we're going to need the snowshoes or crampons. It's pretty darn warm right now and the snow totals aren't too bad. And even when they do get bad, they're crusty, so you can walk right over the top of it. Oh, we're about 2 miles in on this trail so far. Everything that we packed has been unnecessary as of yet. The snow, while somewhat deep in areas, is so hard packed that you just float right on top even with your boots. Oh.
our snack and water stop, our first stop along the trail.
Oh yes, look at all these caves. Michelle has spotted a possible crack in the cave canyon system. We're gonna go and investigate. Where one man failed, another could fail just as easily. It's at this very spot, about 4.5 miles in on the Cottonwood Creek Trail, the windows of the Windigo. Many people have spotted the Windigo on this trail. It is known as a shapeshifter. Ah, hello. It is I, Windigo, the Windigo hunter. I've come to this mountain seeking prey. So far I've seen nothing but horse apples and kangaroo mice. But I am hopeful. I think I hear something now. Well, we're about 6 miles into the trail. Continues along this canyon and most likely around this ridge, meeting with Cave Canyon. But we decide we're gonna catch a little bit of a sunset. So we climb straight up this hill, looking for a good sitting rock. Gonna have ourselves some hot chocolate, some barbecue habanero almonds. Oh, salted nut roll too. Give me some of that. It's gonna be good.
Ooh, it's steaming hot.
Oh yeah, that's good.
You know there's a little something else in here aside from just cocoa.
That's canyon cocoa. I think it's about time for the Steel Reserve. 6 to 8 miles back, not a lot of sunshine left. We're gonna need some power. That's where this comes in. Slow brewed for exceptionally smooth flavor. Extra malted barley and select hops for extra gravity. That's what I need right now, is extra gravity. Michelle got this for me because she disrespected my disc.
I owed him a 40. I came through on it though.
You did?
Cheers. Ah, those were the days.
That's good. It tastes even blander than a Red Dog or a Blatz or like a Miller High Life that's been left out in the sun for a few days and has lost all of its carbonation. It kind of tastes like that. Oh.
Okay.
Now they made it back to the van.
We finally finished our 20-mile hike.
You can hear the heaters rumbling.
Good. I'm glad that we're done so we can.
It was only like 12.5 miles. It was easy. It was easy.
Felt like 20 miles.
So we're gonna cook up some meal. Maybe and we're probably gonna sleep here because it's BLM land. We're just glorious.
Yeah. Anyway, good times.
Good times.
We're all done. Thank God. Good night.
Anybody got any wet wipes?